Checking the accuracy of your thermometers regularly is vital for both food safety and quality. It is also stipulated in industry standards specified by retailers and third-party audit bodies, such as the BRC's Global Standard for Food Safety. This applies as much to infrared thermometers as it does to probe thermometers. Typically, infrared thermometers, such as the LaserScan 205, which I have here, have a wider accuracy tolerance than probe thermometers. This makes it all the more important to check them more regularly. For details on how to get the most reliable and repeatable infrared thermometer readings, see our separate video on infrared thermometer best practice. So there are two main ways to verify how your infrared thermometers are reading. Firstly, use a comparator pot. This is a small, simple device like you see in front of me here. To start, it's important you put the comparator pot in the room where the verification will be taking place. Leave it to stabilise with the room temperature for at least 1 hour. To use a comparator pot, you also need a reference thermometer with a penetration probe or similar. Insert this into the reference port in the base of the comparator pot. Leave your reference thermometer to stabilise. Take your infrared thermometer and hold it perpendicular over the top of the comparator pot. You should be pointing it at the black bottom inside of the comparator pot. Use the laser guides on the front of the thermometer when you squeeze the trigger to help you position the thermometer correctly. Squeeze the trigger to take a reading on your infrared thermometer. We recommend taking 3 readings separately to ensure you get a consistent, reliable and repeatable reading. Compare the reading from your infrared thermometer with the reading of your reference probe. Record the readings of your thermometer and reference thermometer on your calibration log. A free template can be downloaded below this video. The difference between the two, if any, indicates the accuracy drift of your infrared thermometer. What's excellent about this method is it's very budget friendly and very simple to carry out, especially if you have only 1 or 2 infrared thermometers, meaning it doesn't take you too long. If, however, you have several infrared thermometers on site, this process will likely take you a long time. It also only allows verification at one temperature point, which is your room temperature. This doesn't allow you to check the accuracy over the whole temperature range that you may in fact be testing your products at. Because of this, many technical and quality managers now prefer to use the LaserPort 8, which I have here. This has 2 temperature blocks at the top of the unit, specifically for checking infrared thermometers. One block is at a low temperature, such as 0 or -18 degrees Celsius. The other block is at 100 degrees Celsius. Simply point your infrared thermometer at the top of the block and gain a stabilised reading. Again, we recommend taking 3 temperature readings to ensure you get a consistent, reliable and repeatable reading. Repeat this process on the other temperature block also. Remember to record the temperatures on your calibration log in the usual manner. So this process using the LaserPort 8 allows a much faster checking process, as well as verification at 2 different temperature points. Typically, LaserPort calibrators are also calibrated to UKAS standard. This is a big thumbs up with auditors, as it increases the traceability and improves the standard of your testing regime. Remember to carry out this process regularly, ideally daily or each shift, and document your verification results. Also remember to have this information ready for your auditors to check if required. Remember, you can use our free downloadable calibration log to make this process fast and easy for your team. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to our technical team and we'll be very happy to help.